In the previous tutorial in this series, we demonstrated how an individual user can add data to a Symbiota portal through general research observations. In this tutorial, we will show how a curator or collections manager of a collection in a Symbiota portal can import these data directly into their collection. There are two main options for importing data from other collectors or collections into your own. First, you can import records individually through the data entry form. Navigate to your Data Editor control panel by clicking My Profile, Occurrence Management, then the name of the collection for which you would like to import data. Then click Add New Occurrence Record. From here, enter the collector's name and collector number, then click the Duplicates button. If the collector has entered the specimen into General Research Observations, the record will pop up in a new window. You can then click Transfer to All Fields or Transfer to Empty Fields Only, which will import the data directly into the specimen form. You can also see here that there is a checkbox labeled Link as Duplicate. If you keep this box checked, you will be able to see the original specimen information linked as a duplicate to the specimen that was deposited into your collection. This can be helpful in the future because you can use other tools to determine whether a specimen has a different identification than its duplicates. If an expert looks at one duplicate in the set, that identification may be able to be applied to others in a set, and to any checklists to which that original specimen was linked. Note that this option is only beneficial for collections that manage their data live in the particular portal. If the collection where the specimens are being deposited only uploads a snapshot to the Symbiota portal, you will want to do the next option. The next option for importing data into your collection is through a CSV or comma-separated value file. A CSV file is just a spreadsheet that has been saved as a CSV file rather than an Excel spreadsheet. If the collector provides a CSV file of their records downloaded from their General Research Observations collection, the curator can add catalog numbers to the records and upload it into their own collection. We will demo the specimen upload tool in another tutorial, so look for a link in the description of this video. Uploading a CSV works for both live managed and snapshot collections, since most collection management software can import data into their system from a CSV. And that's how collections can import individual collectors' data into their collections. Once they're in the system, specimens can be edited as necessary, and they can be linked back to their original specimen in the General Research Observations collection.